Hey, welcome to my channel, the Gourmet Home Guide. In this video, we try to help you find out the best whipped cream dispensers on the market. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 1. EurKitchen Whipped Cream Dispenser. Holding an impressive full pint of liquid, this chilled metal canister can concoct mousses, whipped creams, foamed drinks, nitro coffees, and even butter. Swap out the gas cartridge, and you have the potential to make your own hard seltzer. Used to make a labor-intensive Ramos gin fizz quickly. Mix up the ingredients right in the canister. It's universally compatible with all standard 8-gram and 2.0 chargers, though note the chargers are not included with the initial purpose. The durable canister is crafted for heavy usage, with an all-aluminum canister, reinforced threads, and a silicone grip. A cleaning brush will get in the hard-to-reach places in the dispenser head and the decorating tips for easy cleanup. All the accessories, including a spare silicone gasket and 2.0 charger holder, fit inside an included mesh bag. Number 2. ICO Stainless Steel Professional Whipped Cream Dispenser. Impeccable Culinary Objects, ICO, higher-end whipped cream dispenser is quick and easy to use, with the ability to turn out 2 liters of whipped cream in under 30 seconds. Once you've shaken the canister, store the mixture in the fridge for up to 14 days. There are 2 different decorator tips, including a straight and bullet, to customize the flow. Unlike most whipped cream dispensers on our radar, ICO's option is dishwasher safe. Disassemble the pieces for a deeper clean. The dispenser features a removable stainless steel piston and silicone seal, then toss them in the machine. The all-aluminum body was developed to be durable and light, with an inner and outer coating. Lastly, this whipped cream canister comes in 2 different sizes and finishes. Pick from 0.5 liters or 1 liter, depending on the quantities you generally handle, and choose between an aluminum or stainless steel finish. Number 3. Blender Bottle Classic 20 ounces. Shaker with loop top. The Blender Bottle Classic 20-ounce shaker bottle makes it easy to maintain proper nutrition and hydration on the go. Featuring a patented mixing system, with a 316 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball wire whisk, found only in Blender Bottle brand shaker cups, that moves freely inside the bottle to smooth out drink mixes and meal ingredients. It's ideal for protein shakes, smoothies, fiber drinks, and meal replacements. It's also a handy kitchen tool for mixing pancake batter, scrambled eggs, and salad dressings. The wide mouth makes it easy to add scoops of powdered mixes, meal ingredients, and liquids, and embossed markings show both ounces and milliliters for easy measuring anywhere. Note that markings on the 20-ounce capacity shaker cup only go up to 12 ounces. Bottle contents and liquids are securely contained thanks to a tightly threaded screw-on lid that creates a leak-proof seal, and a flip cap that snaps securely shut for shaking and transportation. Number 4. ISI Nitro Whip. The ISI Nitro Whip is particularly excellent for making nitro-infused drinks. The charger fuel dispenser pushes nitrogen into the coffee or cocktail, giving the drink small bubbles and a foamy texture. With this particular whipped cream dispenser, Sayers notes that infusing liquor and sodas is easy. You just fill the canister to the filling with either booze or water along with the herbs or produce of your choosing. Attach a NO2, nitrogen dioxide, for liquor infusions, or CO2, carbon dioxide, for sodas. Shake well, and you're done. I have always used ISI whipped cream canisters, while at work and at home, says Jonathan Stanyard of Feast in Seattle, WA. These are solid and reliable not only for whipped cream, but for infusions and foams as well. Number 5. IC Gourmade Whip with Rapid Infusion Tools. ISI offers the right cream whipper to create pure, fresh whipped cream and desserts for the professional or home kitchen. For the preparation of light and fluffy espumas, finger food, warm and cold sauces, and whipped soups as well as whipped cream and desserts, let your imagination run wild. You'll be amazed at the range of products that you can create with our assortment of essential kitchen whippers. As an Austrian brand, ESI has stood for trust, quality, and safety for 150 years. An ESI device takes up little space and can be used anywhere. With ESI appliances, delicious culinary delights can be created in no time at all, simply and quickly. ESI offers the right product for everyone, from professionals to hobby chefs. In addition, we provide perfect functionality and creative inspiration for decorating and serving through our great set of accessories. Number 6. Otis Classic Whipped Cream Dispenser. The Otis Classic Professional Series Cream Whipper is a great all-purpose tool. It's made out of stainless steel, so it's durable at high pressures, describes Bryson Downham, the beverage director at Toops Meadery in New Orleans. It can be used for the standards, like making foams or whipping creams, or for more advanced projects like infusions. Plus, it comes with a cleaning brush for the dispenser setup. With just a few shakes, you can make a bar-quality cold brew or homemade whipped cream. The commercial-grade whipped cream dispenser is made with food-grade 18/8 stainless steel, far less reactive than average steel. If you've got an artistic flair, the set includes 3 different decorating tips. The pieces are designed to come apart quickly for easy cleaning.